Winterizing your lawn. What is it, and do you really need to do it? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, my name is Devin. I'm the DIY lawn coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So as fall ends, everyone's going to start recommending that you winterize your lawn. So what is it? Winterizing is really simple. It's just putting down the last shot of nitrogen before the season ends. Timing is really important. We want to make sure we do this right before the last mow. And you'll notice your lawn starting to slow down. Maybe you're only mowing once every couple of weeks, every 2 or 3 weeks, and you also notice that you're barely cutting anything off the lawn. Maybe temperatures have been in the 40s, getting down into the 30s at night, and you see the forecast is calling for maybe some really cold temperatures or possibly even snow. This means you're now ready to apply your winterizer, your last application of fertilizer for the year. So what kind of fertilizer and how much? Don't overcomplicate things. It's really not that hard. Just pick a fertilizer, maybe you have some laying around, shoot for 3/4 pound to 1 pound of nitrogen per 1,000. If you have a couple bags just laying around, use those. Just don't mix them together in the same hopper, just make sure you put them out individually. You don't need to go buy anything special here, but if you do need something, I'll leave links down below where you can find what I would recommend. Next spring, your lawn will be one of the very first to green up. Plus, doing this simple step will help ensure that your spring gets off on the right foot. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY lawn coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Until next time, I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.